Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Allowed to export garment na there too.
It be a garment na mu produce.
Mpacho. Enya me na me produce.
Free zone me produce 30% bas system no. E ma Ghana for so benefit. Who export to 70. 30% me so obo the crop.
The question
30% is about.
But the Bismarck wadaroma. Na asema da won say ye can manufacturing wasem. Who say unaccepted figures are post to know said there's been a significant growth in the manufacturing sector. And I will request of him. Think on example. In fact, that wasn't what he was going to say. There be only general emanenka adia onye na dwene so obeka.
Company ya buying company ya was
no company.
No, taxpayers money is there.
No.
So I must know the company.
No. Free zones. Companies be a design design it almost specific in you maybe.
Yes.
I be for tax purposes and your man chance. And also there's a particular company under Aguano or no what procure a machinery.
Buying a support to no procure machinery.
Now me just say I buy support in free
under
zones,
the stimulus package. What is the
yes stimulus package? You know, Ghana for
my NTO.
It's about company.
Almost company.
No, they just say you know.
Oh, Missy, we are.
No,
the woman say, Chairman Befi, I will free zones. Or say, company no whatever. Now, it comes under free zones. Now, your ponia or the dean be mammy or the dean mammy, maybe such Chairman Befi. Chairman Befi, or you for now, no. I will say you verify, no maybe authenticated. You on kind of sakeke. Mientio dog.
So one who say
senior.
No,
my mientio.
Senior da cabre.
Mientio.
Uno tiaku ye mwamba.
Mientio.
You can't impact now. Happen, but of course you see. Ebia emfa wo honum inti na wo kasa. Afa wo krampo on kasa. Because I don't expect you so be kasa. This is just one example am I then mama. There are so many companies say we are senior. Me taking me time. Now my listen from trade. Now me the amount. Now when revitalization exercise at Ministry of Trade. They have been revived. Some of them those times no more funny pa ebia 10 15 now they are employing over 50 60. Cumulatively if you put together there is impact. But the economy is very big. Into the impact in kakran. We are changing lives through some of these initiatives. And so Saoka said we are not feeling it, we are not where. That is not true. Because the change is happening from the area of saying manufacturing. Okay. Now if you also look at the planting for jobs, that is a clear example of how we are helping farmers and people to actually improve their livelihoods through farming and the modernization of it. And also obekasa omo ayebo with the farming and also embo obekasa embo. You see, government way and the clear policies are to who say share SSA obua nipa mani nyesika. And how we are doing that is through the industrialization drive. And that is very simple. And it is evident. And the figures speak for itself. Say, one time, no, you did not pay attention to manufacturing. You did not. And so the manufacturing sector was going down. But we have decided to pay attention because manufacturing is important. Senior, how they are not too far. I'm sure say you've been following. In terms of entrepreneurship, through the presidential entrepreneurial pitch in idea, the president is directly intervening and helping them with startups. Over 3,000 of them recently, Kromo Sansu Yebi. These are initiatives that are having direct impact on them. Now, unim there amazing one. Oma ye boa so 3,000 people. You are taxed say okwa. Sikana ye de boa to start up no. Okwa fanipa directly, not less than 10. Into they multiply say obiampo eye jumana say by 10 3,000 by 10 senior. That is 30,000. There is impact. Any a direct one. I know one guy. One benefit. Nipa no. Unim de oye. Ochucha chips. Chips. Buyer. And one modernizing no. Using machinery. Bine adie. And no di chucha. And that alone is generating employment to directly over 50 people because they use tricycles and those things to distribute. You see, this is the core fact that is happening. You can decide to close your eyes to it, but I am giving you facts. I am giving you near AC. It is a gradual process. You don't anticipate, say, you buy and they are no. But it's coming only from oil, but it is coming from the real sector, manufacturing, which is very, very core to anyway. Look, on maybe you start with agriculture, you improve it, you grow enough raw material to cater for it, then you move into industrialization, like China has done, like Malaysia has done, and that is what is happening. So it is a clear and a calculated attempt, and you are starting for baby. Look. If you go to Ministry of Trade, they have a 10-point clear agenda of transforming this economy. We are aware, say, you started, you're implementing what they call industrial parks. You gusun kakran kakra, gada puti. So you see, it is clear that this government has a plan. It has a focus. Person a boa in mebu no munye juma. Esani say unemployment ya adibia a hardering. And it's not just that we want to provide any kind of employment. No, we want to provide quality employment and quality income.
Napco kam quality.
Egusu tie no.
Napco kan wa.
O sheda pa.
Dabi me bisa. No no we dey bomb ho safo hene.
Anyway, secondly, the government through some partnership with banks, meaning so why aware they are trying to help a lot of people to get their own houses, and they are a project be omuye mortgaging arrangement be omune some financial institutions I said they help you out so through that mortgage platform, and a lot of people are signing on. And ordinarily, ebia edanka want to me see ebia and then lifetime no. It's a government intervention and we say no, we need to help people to reduce, because one of the major problems as senior when you say high empire rent. So the government is trying to help people to build their own houses. This is a clear intervention and it's a fact. It's out there, and I have friends who have rolled on it. You see, there's a lot happening. You can close your eyes to it when they make no, but the facts will gather. I had to say, prefia nafo, no, I prefia tiffy. Now they go fifini. Now what's and that is what is happening.
Right.
Yeah,
no. Are we so clear in our mind to say NDC4 anye roots na omo ye say omo ye na afei na MPP ebe shasi abeye anase den.
That is what it looks like. And I say
omo anye roots bia.
Now say why na road ye tutu na me dem hu. They just omo anye.
Okay. Afei dey na mo stop ye under Kuko roots na yes ye kwa forensic auditing no.
The obodi omsaka no man to aso no. Na say road senior road imema road
ya the saka na mo be cancel ya obisa o question say ya the saka ene ya nto aso ne ya wa be mo na
ebi wo tie question obisa na ebi num so okra po aye ba ye betua bi ana ente sa. Yes, it means na imema road 10 kilometers say okay ebia ye asphalt ya na say
Cocoa road doctor more water.
Yes,
mo can Cocoa road
senior mama answer question
asimu roads no mo anye na
so who asaman kasi kede yetimi ye kwa we under Cocoa road bodua unim bodua kokede ho kitikiti bi aka about 300 meters bi aka no MPP ba ye
hine na namde kokede
say the free so
now
we say just so ayi ekro ye wo he friends ayi oh kai me
Ufri
ama ya krona ko so dey no ya poko ase baby a prison for no e in Sawem eko yasaman kasekede insanda Cocoa road ye wie yo aka kuro no mu asaman kuro no mu no any bodu ya eko kede na nado ba ye optimi be hwe wo mu anim suspend kwan no amini u ka se kwan no e da so gira ba bi egina futuro airport memufu up to now e dia boni no omodi ayo u ba be ka che se adagabre kwa America ko he omotimi ayo mu kwan nyina wi ana sa clandestine politics na mo ye say see aye kwan no munyi mfiri ho mahama be ye na afa mu de ye de akwanya no maamu de na motimi aye in the road sector de twaga na for
so year of roads 2020
now the who bye budget how dey bre ye two way free ade so a who see ye ma kwan enti sir these things no di ba be da Ghana for say me be start road enti munya ye de mu start here ye ba ye cancel we will continue and make sure say ye be wie magana for anyam e da no say road no cancel ye ni bi no isi region president timi ko timu ye who be ka say ye no me a whole president of the republic who could have viet ko timu ye e ma usi nanti ye say wo ye so bo ye mu abura oh minister of road Onuani constituency or MP Oforiata ye Amakwata
ye be na mo awade
Amakwata Emma wo be cancel contract no nyame on pebone no wo di VAT ko timi ye ma usi nanti ye abro ye so ubo ye mu abro wo ye bibi enu na aka na ado no wa bo no angasa ni ho abro ma sesi a nani aha nti no na ndc force o ma ye kwan nyina Ghana ni bia wo gidie se abambie no obetimi aka se oba obeye Ghana rules nyina wo be ye wa fam de na wo firi ho na mu no mo ye se adada no ye de a shemu brade no mu ti se obi yare sugar no akode ye di infusion ase no sa na mo atro no ye mu ti mu fi se Ghana fo nyina ye ntie mu unim in the budget aka no for yata di baye minu kasa sesi a KG Eco Primary 3 exercise book ana textbook o mu do kire nkwala na ade wo mu bie school no wo mu be makwan aka very 1 month no ma etwa 3 months ni nyina wie na don't mean for textbook enko da lower level free senior high now mu kan wan sem no textbook for elective subject as at now parent bia beka che say ni sa nyanka ye na me tie say kenoforiata beka something about quality education the future of this country one moso wa baby a hwe unim say oman mu bobodwa for na edoso hwe budget no A to Z na wa hu say na nado wo ka bibi fa maslok ho ana maslok e ho ne anya loans nkitwa 500 400 edi soya ma minu mu ase mo mu di ye bobodwa business bisa ni say budget no sika dudu na o to go bobusia no wa ka so di bi be ye say adwuma na eti budget no so
are you more or less
quickly maslok asem no senior you see say me facts and figures no all can no take it time see o say maslok look at the budgetary allocation 100 million senior enini that is from the budget
hey obi figure na akwa hwim sa
one
ana de man no antitim
mark
ana de man
ehia na wo ho no
no
fama me
abonu pusa
fama me
microfinance
chairman fama me
microfinance and small loans
ehia no maslok
now ni say maslok no yeah first
100 million o see there
say we say one ya nyehwe
microfinance and small loans
budget
na say
spend a maslok the maslok microfinance and small loan center maslok
100 million
me say senior million, you see you say obi sua wasa divide it is not about dividing don't change the subject
no who say
maslok you discussion more it to aso ka de wo community
look my point is you can say the propaganda all you want take your time now the kind budget no and you see say budget no once I say oh yes stew now they sa akoko mesa atum no sa any aye budget we hwehwehwam etum pampan o say em fast can share maslok
watch them to us watch
oh there be some
na so na me wie ya na me ka asem na o prove
aso na koka
watch me baby e
una koka na fidia yi
enti o da bi enu chance mami continue
ubaba
mami continue adaka be mami continue mi wie we
o de mani wie senior
wie we se o hwe yesika asem e wo ma yi mo a businessmen are crying omo kranya ma bro ba o ma yi mo omu su because of the depreciation of the city etina na do say or the sika gusa ya businessmen no botomo esu omo ka chena na do ni say exchange rate obefa no 4.2 edru 5.5 5.4 no a loss to them it is also the sika gu omo botomo it's not true because a drop So this evu omubotom. Me catch about get fund levy. Get fund previously under NDC it was not a levy. Now one more year no cost of production. So who produce una 1 CDA. You add get fund national health insurance to it before they take you VAT. Tax on tax. As this year many workers say, young businessmen are crying. These are the realities of Nanado. 1 million one constituency. Nanado. 1 district, 1 factory. Was here BBR. 1 million 1,000. All these things are things that can raw. We any time. The buy budget in we yeah be just near the judge no yeah the atuabe I'm a Ghana for anya
senior and then so we accountant into the me no be mass ye be we kakra yeah Maslow 100 million ya dia shim unim the impact it is going to have on the economy
and yet the economy impact on the individuals on
of course first of all
you go suit you
no Put your two of children, go target 500 women, 1,000 women. Nothing judge you by your figures. That is not
100 million.
And there's a figure that the budget, the number of women are more targeted.
At least
most businesses are more targeted.
100 million citizens.
Senior, say decide. Say, Yebema Obia 1,000. 1,000 cities. That is 100,000 people, women.
100,000 persons and the
benyebi. That is direct impact.
Now you remember be 1,000 cities.
Yes. And apart from that, they need je wom sem kra wom ni say. Wonim say sika wo hwei. Udiwie now the kotwa dey will be ho so a. Onipa no so nye sika kakra. What we call na me technical kakra a multiplier effect. It will be 1,000. Now wo koto cement e wo bi ho. Ebia wo de 300 sie. Now the 700 komo obi a. Unim say one man nipa no so 700 Ghana cedis. So unim sa nipa na one man is 700.
You got difficult to do business, so the returns are
so you see, the idea is that by boosting spending in such productive way and by touching an amount of you are improving the economy. You are improving the lives of. You see, this is the direct impact. Ni eka say ye
saska we omo ade ko to toka
asa na mo ye
na mo ba ye ma mi no wan ko say agreement and thoughts on ka fun bi amakro mu amechicha amamo
o nyabotre
o ka na sa mo kura ma te say
what did ade ma mi no wo te say na sam na make
say mo ni pe bi say o court say then I try no
we go suit you
wo senior. And so you see, if my colleague here will take his time, so bet turnable no what can budget now be who say enyama papi ye den ewum
we budget 100 million we you have a try next year no we decide e ma do
uche di so agana mra wa ha say enti na bi e bi so yi ano no
echuchetre ebi esro ayanda what you say. The fact that we chedi no enche say ye chedi. Look, we mean business.
Ye chedi government. Ebi NCNDC abreso.
Yegusu
Mate. But ye there we mean business, and we are dedicated to the cause of rural improvement and improving the general lives of Amanfo, and we are going to do exactly that.
Okay, in the final comment no.
Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.